What is going on? It's a daily squad. Welcome back to another video. And this video is actually gonna be different. We're gonna stay away from the Mustang for about just for a couple videos, just because things is getting crazy. I'm almost to my last week of school. This is my last week of school for the summer. Getting ready to finish that, and we're moving out. My roommates and I, we're moving out to a new apartment. As you can see, my room's kind of empty, but it's messy at the same time. So today it's actually gonna be a big packing day, and that's what this video, as you can see from the thumbnail, we're gonna be moving out and gonna be packing up. You know, we're gonna be homeless for 2 weeks, but that's gonna be okay. And if you're wondering for all my Mustang parts where they go, they're actually in this little box. We rented a pretty nice storage unit, so all of this stuff is gonna go there with my tools. So for a while I might not be working on my Mustang just because of that, but for the meantime, Danny and I are gonna buy a little insect cage just because this is spider I want to capture it out in Lake Thunderbird. So we're gonna go get that real quick, and then we're gonna hit up Chick-fil-A, buy some nuggets, pick up some fire boxes that my friend works at, because we know we need boxes to put all our stuff in, and we don't want to buy any boxes. So we're gonna head down to Chick-fil-A, buy something to eat, pick up some boxes, and then go get the spider. So I'll be right back with you in a few seconds. All right, everybody, so like I was saying, we just got done eating. We got a cage for the new spider we're planning on getting, and then there's actually also a potential for us getting scorpion. That'd be pretty cool. It's called the Asian something scorpion, or I forgot. Oh, the Asian forest scorpion, I think it was. It's only like 20 bucks at Petco, so that's really cool. But word advice when it comes to packing, or potentially if you're gonna move out like me, I'm in college. I knew I was gonna move out one day. I kept all the original boxes, and so as you can see, I got my monitor, 32-inch 43-inch TV. That's gonna be backed up. Luckily my friend Alan, he's letting me move in, so I'm gonna be staying at his place for a couple weeks. And then all this stuff was under the bed, and that's starting to clear up as well. And that's gonna be later. And you can see most of the bigger stuff, you know, like my speakers that's going in there, my topper, printer, entertainment center's going to a unit, PlayStation, stuff like that. Also advice to try to keep your wires organized. I probably can't see it, but yeah. So right now that's been a pretty big hassle as well. But that's really it, y'all. Right now we're getting ready for the last few days, packing stuff up. It's gonna suck, but really looking forward to moving out of Campus Lodge, moving to something better, more quality. It's gonna be crazy. I'm really excited. And then hopefully here pretty soon you can check out the storage unit as well. And then I'll probably put my Mustang in the storage unit to see how loud it really is. That thing, hopefully it'd be pretty loud. I'm really looking forward for it. That's gonna be awesome. But that's what this video is gonna be really about, just us packing our stuff up and getting ready to move out. So hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to comment down below if you moved somewhere else too this year. You know, it's gonna be crazy. Hopefully COVID didn't affect none of y'all. So here we go.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you dig any deeper now? I gave you all I own, put you on this golden throne, but I'm a little stronger now. You cashed in on my promises, you know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out, 'cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now, a little stronger now.
One important thing I like to mention too is make sure you have small Ziploc bags to keep everything nice and neat, even when working on cars. As you see, I got 2 small screws for my TV, Ziploc bags, and with a box. So what I am gonna do, just so y'all don't get bored, is I'm actually gonna start finish packing up. I'm gonna show you what everything looks like at the end. hopefully we go see the storage unit today. If not, then for sure tomorrow. And you can probably hear the car, my Mustang, in the storage unit because we got 10 by 10, so it should be big enough to fit my car. And hopefully it sounds pretty loud in the unit. So we're gonna see. So don't forget to stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right, everybody. So we're getting ready to head to the storage unit, and of course you guys do it with a nice cold start. Hope you're able to hear it. But I swear, I don't know if it's y'all. Well, I don't know about y'all, but if you own a Mustang, I feel like it's very humid in a convertible. Boy, might just be the area that I'm in, but who knows. But anyways, Dan and I head into unit, and another thing I like to say too is having a convertible really sucks. As you can see, literally, so my sound system for my entertainment center took up my whole trunk space. I'll show y'all here in a bit as well when we head down there. And then freaking I got 3 boxes total, and it took up every little square inch of my freaking Mustang. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and head down there, and then hopefully we can get a little sound clip of the storage unit with the Mustang in it. That'd be pretty dope. All right, everybody, this is our little storage unit. We call this the garage. This is where I'm gonna start putting my car at. This is where I'm gonna start working on my car. It's gonna be my new garage. No, I'm just kidding. I don't know, do you want to put the Mustang in here? Well, I mean honestly, just the exhaust, just the back part. Alright, everybody, so the storage unit isn't really all that big, but it's gonna be good enough to where we get the booty in, and we're actually gonna see how loud the exhaust can get in the 5.0. So give me a few seconds to back all this up. Let's try to get a little cold start. Dang, I smell gas, bro. I smell a lot of gas. Not bad. Dude, you smell a lot of gas. Holy crap. Alright, let me back and forward. Guys, the Mustang sound nice in that baby. I guess that's what happens when you do small pump delete. It smells like heck of gas, man. It's bad, it's strong. But who don't like to smell like gas? Come on now, comment down below if you like to smell gas. Come on now, y'all. But yeah, so basically the rest of the video, we're just gonna finish packing up. This is probably gonna be a 2-day video. I'm gonna show y'all what the end of the results are, how like everything done, finished, how clean the place is gonna be, and once everything's in the unit. So next time you see me, it's gonna be the next day. Hopefully everything's all packed up. So see you in 3, 2, 1. Alright, what's up, everybody? So I actually lied. We actually will be working on the Foxbody Mustang. So luckily yesterday, driving back, Danny pointed out that my front left headlight wasn't working, and so I bought new headlights both for the left side and the right side, because the ones before, they're garbage. Like, I can't see anything. It's still pitch black. And now looking at it on the driver's side, I don't know if you can see, but it's definitely eating up. It's freaking bad. So that could be why it doesn't work anyway. So right now we're just gonna go ahead and replace it. I got the Superstar, something, you know, basic, simple. It's actually quite simple to do. See this little plug? You just literally wiggle it out. There we go. You see this little cap right there? Turn that counterclockwise. Comes right off. Make sure you're careful. Don't do what I just did. Just let it fall out. And then it just comes out like a beauty. And then the shoe also be like an O-ring. I think that might have fell down. Nope. But I know for a fact this one over here, as you can see, has an O-ring. All you gotta do is put it back in, put it back in the hole, do everything. I'm gonna do that real quick. Alright, everybody, so I couldn't install the new headlights because, as you can see at the end of it, you know, it's like 3 inserts compared to the old one. It's like a little 1 insert. So apparently I went to AutoZone, and the only way for me to get this new light bulb is through online, through some kind of aftermarket, because they're LEDs. So it's very unfortunate. So hopefully, knocking on wood, I don't get pulled over from the cops on me. What am I gonna tell him? Like, hey man, you know, the new light bulb will be here in like 3 weeks. You know, who knows? But yeah, as you can see, the other one's completely fried, dude. It's garbage. But hopefully here online I can see what's out there to hopefully buy a new one and replace it because I need one really bad. But like I said, these were garbage. Hopefully I could go online and find something better as well. So that's basically gonna wrap up the video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends, leave a comment. Comment down below your Foxbody, what year, what you have going on for it, whatever. It's pretty cool. You know, we're almost at 60 subscribers. Just try to get it up to 100. That'd be really dope for this year. But that's gonna conclude the video. Stay tuned for the next one. I'm out.